Kindly subscribe for more amazing content.
Yo, all right. So you be student, you day college, you day nursing training. You don't know what you can actually do to earn something. Well, for me personally, I would encourage you not to look at earning right away, but try to build something that would last for long. Yes, my name is Konzabe Gold again, and you're watching how to make money online in Ghana. And on today's video, I'm going to teach you as a student what you can actually do to be able to stay stable financially and support yourself. Now, I'm going to talk about basically 3 to 5 things that you can actually do. I would personally encourage you to stay active online. Let your presence be felt online. Be active on your social media handles. Look good. Make sure you intentionally take photo, shoot pictures just to get the following, right? What you can do to get the following, do it, right? Don't harass people online, but make sure you're getting the followers. Once you have the followers, you can actually move forward from there, monetize these followers, and actually start earning something from that. Some of the platforms I really recommend you getting used to is YouTube. Because YouTube takes a lot. There are many ways you can start a YouTube channel. People don't really understand. You don't need to do what everybody is doing. Find a particular niche, which is a story that you want to lay on to make your videos and actually make your videos on that. And it's possible you can go viral, or it's possible your videos can go from small stages to bills. So imagine you start your YouTube channel while you're in level 100. And start posting videos. Before you get to level 400, you might have had 500, 1000 videos on your channel, and by that time your channel will be monetized and you can start earning from there. It is working, and it is working everywhere. The next thing you can actually do as a student is to sell something. Yes, you can sell clothes, you can sell boots, you can sell assets, you can sell anything really. Anything your colleague would want, you have to make sure you take that advantage and sell it, right? Because selling is the main goal here in Ghana and in Africa. We sell, Africans, we sell. That's why I always love the Nigerians, because they are always quick to sell to you, right? So the next one, which is the third one, is to look at blogging. You're a good writer. Why did you start your personal blog? Start blogging about entertainment, music, blog about anything that is important to you. Right now, we even have blogs for pets, we have blogs for animals, we have blogs for chairs, furniture. You can blog about anything, history, and the rest. Just tell people what you know on your blog, and if you do it consistently for 3-4 years, your blog will be ahead of you, and you can actually earn from that, right? Next thing is to try to be, I wouldn't say an influencer because you're small. I would say be an affiliate marketing. Join Jumia affiliates, join Betway affiliates, and you can actually earn from that whenever you're able to sell their products to someone, right? So I've mentioned about 3 things or 4 things so far. You should start your YouTube channel, right? You should look at selling, right? You should look at starting a blog. You should look at being an affiliate marketer in your niche, right? So the last thing I'll encourage every student to do while you're on campus is to network. If you want to be successful in life, you need to network. Get closer to your professor, get closer to your friends, get closer to your course mates, because at the end of the day, these are the people who has the jobs, these are the people who can help you become somebody. Network, share knowledge, gain knowledge from people, and get closer to the people that matters in your department, in your study area. Get to know everyone, don't leave anyone behind. Get to know important thing as a student is to always have value in class. Have value to your professor. Once people learn of your value and they know you have some qualities that they will need, they are always there to call you. So I hope these tips makes you stronger, makes you better, prepares you for the future.